Hello everyone, student. Today in part 13 of continuity and differentiability, I'll explain you questions related to higher order derivatives. Before this, there are few formulas for differentiation on the basis of inverse trigonometric functions. Look at this thing: d by dx sine inverse x is equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. D by dx cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. D by dx tan inverse x is equals to 1 upon x 1 plus x square. D by dx cot inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. D by dx sec inverse x is equals to 1 upon modulus of x under root x square minus 1. D by dx cosec inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon modulus of x under root x square minus 1. So let's start with this question number 1. In question number 1, we have y is equals to under root x plus 1 minus under root x minus 1. So first of all, differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, now look at this thing, what will come? Dy by dx 1 upon this one root t means 1 upon 2 root t, and differentiation of x plus 1 is 1 only. In the same way, this is also 2 root x minus 1. Now 1 upon 2 common, and this is the LCM, root x plus 1 and root x minus 1. So this become root x minus 1 and minus root x plus 1. Once you will take minus common from this, so this become y only. That's why dy by dx is equals to minus y upon 2 and root x plus 1 root x minus 1. Like that, root 3 into root 2 root 6. In the same way, root x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this become root x square minus 1. Now cross multiplication, consider this one also equation number 1. Now root x square minus 1 dy by dx is equals to minus y upon 2. Again differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, why we are doing? Because in proof we want d2y by dx square. So this first function as it is, what is this? d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is. What is the differentiation of root x square minus 1? Root t means 1 upon 2 root t, and differentiation of x square minus 1 means 2x, and this is minus 1 upon 2 dy by dx. Now take LCM. After taking LCM, root x square minus 1 into root 2 cancel out. Root x square minus 1 root x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx, and this is the cross multiplication, minus 1 upon 2 root x square minus 1, and what is this? Dy by dx. Now from equation 1 we can easily observe dy by dx into root x square minus 1 is equals to minus y by 2. So this become y by 4, and here you will write down from equation 1. And this part is as it is, x square minus 1 d2y by dx square, and this is plus x dy by dx. Now this become x square minus 1 d2y by dx square and plus x dy by dx minus 4 minus y upon 4 is equals to 0. So this is the way to do this type of questions. Now look at this thing. Question number 2, we have y is equals to sine inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, and we have to prove this result. So for this part you can do like that. This is 1 minus x square y is equals to sine inverse x. Now differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, now first function as it is 1 minus x square dy by dx, then plus y root t means 1 upon 2 root t, and 1 minus x square means minus 2x, and sine inverse x means 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now taking the LCM, this 2 cancel out. Once you will take the LCM, this become 1 minus x square dy by dx, and this is minus, what is this? Xy, and this become 1 only. Once you will take this side, this is 1 only. Now again differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, now look at this thing, what will come? First function as it is, this become d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is, this become minus 2x. Now here we have the product rule, x as it is dy by dx plus y as it is. What is the differentiation of x is 1 only, and this is 0. So 1 minus x square d2y by dx square. Now collect the terms of dy by dx, minus 2x minus x dy by dx and minus y is equals to 0. And now this is 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx and minus y is equals to 0. So this is the proof of this question. You have to do the practice related to this type of questions because these are very important questions. Now look at this thing. In question number 3, we have y is equals to x log, this is x upon a plus bx, and we have to prove this result. We have to concentrate on result also. Now to make the differentiation little bit easy, first of all we will shift x here, log m upon log n, log m minus log n. So this is a plus bx. Now differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, what this become? Here this is the quotient rule, x square, x as it is dy by dx, and this is minus y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. This is log x means 1 upon x, and this is minus 1 upon a plus bx, and what is the differentiation of bx is b only. So x dy by dx, and this is minus y upon x square. Take the LCM. What is this thing? X into a plus bx. It means this become a plus bx minus bx. It means x dy by dx minus y, 1x cancel out, and this is what this become a, shift this x here, it means this become ax upon a plus bx. Consider this is the equation number 1 because later on we will use this part. Reason is this thing, we want this whole square. So this is the part 1. Now again differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, what will come? Here the product rule, it means x as it is, this become d2y by dx square plus dy by dx as it is. What is the differentiation of x is 1 only, and this is dy by dx. Now here quotient rule, a plus bx whole square, a plus bx as it is. What is the differentiation of ax? A only, minus ax as it is. What is the differentiation of a plus bx? B only. It means x d2y by dx square is equals to, what this become? A square plus abx minus abx, and this is a plus bx whole square. Now x, we want x cube here, so multiply by this x square both side. It means this become x square x cube d2y by dx square, and this become a square x square upon a plus bx whole square. This one you can write down ax upon bx, a plus bx whole square. And now look at this thing, x cube d2y by dx square. From equation 1, this is the value of this, and this become x dy by dx minus y whole square. So this is the way to do this important question. This is for 4 marks. Once you will use the concept, then this type of questions become very easy. Otherwise student will not able to solve the question at all. Now look at this thing. This question is very important. What is this question number 4th? We have, if x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c square, then we have to prove. To prove is 1 plus dy by dx whole square, and this is raised to power 3 by 2 upon d2y by dx square is a constant, independent of a and b, So we have to start this question. Now look at this thing, because we have x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c square. Now differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the differentiation with respect to x, what will come? 2x minus a, and this is plus 2y minus b, and dy by dx is equals to, what is this thing? 0. It means dy by dx is equals to 2 into, this become dy by dx is equals to, once you will shift this term here, it means this is minus x minus a and upon y minus b. Because once you will shift this term here, then this two cancel out and this result will come after calculation. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Now again differentiation with respect to x. Once you will do the again differentiation with respect to x, look at this thing, what will come? d2y by dx square minus common. Now y minus b whole square, y minus b as it is. What is the differentiation of x minus a? 1 only. Now minus x minus a as it is, y minus b differentiation means dy by dx. Now d2y by dx square minus here y minus b minus x minus a. Substitute the value of this thing dy by dx from equation 1. What this become? X minus a upon y minus b, and this is minus minus become plus y minus b whole square. Now d2y by dx square, after taking the LCM, this become y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square, and this is the given condition. This becomes c square upon y minus b whole cube. So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. 1 is already there, and let us suppose this is the equation number 2. Now we are taking this part and substitute the value 1 plus dy by dx whole square from equation 1. This is whole square means this become x minus a whole square upon y minus b whole square, and this is raised to power 3 by 2. Substitute the value of d2y by dx square also. It means this become minus c square, and this is y minus b whole raised to power 3. Now once you will take the LCM, after taking the LCM, this become y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square. It means this become c square raised to power 3 by 2, and this is y minus b square raised to power 3 by 2. It means in denominator once it will go, it becomes y minus b whole cube, because square and 3 by 2 cancel out, and this is y minus b whole cube, and this is minus c square. So what will left here? Minus c cube upon what this become minus c square. It means this is equals to minus c, which is a constant, independent of a and b, independent of a and b. So this is the way to this part, and this question is very, very important. You have to do the practice. Don't forget to give the answers of these two questions in the comment box. God bless you.